Hi, my name is Nate McCullough on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to remove the upper strut mounting nut. What we have here is our new strut mount, and just for the sake of discussion, I want to point out to you this D shape inside there. Now, with that flat side on it, it's going to hold the strut cylinder shaft still for us, as long as we can hold on to this portion of it. Now, if you take a look down here, you can see that we have our strut, that portion I was talking about, in a vise. Now that's going to hold on to it for us so we can take and apply a lot of leverage to this nut. Now it's a pretty big nut. Some of them are lock nuts, and some of them aren't. That lubrication we applied is going to help us out greatly. But if you can get a hold of it with a vise, that's the way to do it. Alright, there's our strut nut. You're going to want to save that because most of the time they do not come with your new strut mount. Go ahead and give her a wiggle, see if we can get it out of there. And that's it.